Now we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can put a video into text. We're going to use this clip of a cornfield. We need a default text first, drag it into the timeline. And I call it corn. You can adjust the font right here, make it bold as style and increase the size. And by the way, I use the default layout, then you can find text basic and there are all of these text adjustment options. Next step is to go to a place in the timeline where you can see your text. In my case it's fairly easy because it's visible everywhere. Then click on these three little lines and export still frame. Call it whatever you want, you just need to make sure that you can find it. I call it corn img. PNG JPEG doesn't really matter that much, but when you use a JPEG you can be sure that you have a black background and that's what we need. I'll export it. And I have it right here in my desktop, but it's already stored by default by CapCut under media. So I can use this without importing it manually. Let me drag it into the timeline, but first we need our corn clip, then our image. I resize it so that it's as big as my cornfield video footage. You want to make sure that it's fully to the left so that you can see it. It's active in the timeline, and then once again video basic, and then scroll down until you can find the blend. And there is a drop down next to mode, use darken, and you can see I'll have to make it a little bit bigger here at the end so that we can fully see it, but you can see that the video is now inside of the text. So if I change it back to normal, we have our text, and I change it to darken, the cornfield clip is now visible in the text. And that's all there is to it. This is how you can put a video into text using CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.